Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. So now we will be seeing how to implement Pinterest conversion API for your Funnelish funnel. And as you can see, Pinterest itself saying maximize conversion visibility with conversion API. So it does mean that implementing conversion API is really helpful for you, so that you can collect more conversion more efficiently. Now we need to do one thing. You need your Google Analytics 4 ID. How to do that, you can check on our Google Analytics 4 video. So we already had our browser side event. Now throughout GA4 we will be implementing, and just like we will be implementing our conversion API, and GA4 will be used as a client to send data to our Pinterest server side. Okay. Now I would just send server container URL. We would need one more thing. Yes, this. We have created this already. You can track or check on our videos. We need this URL, and I will enter this here, and that's it. We also need to have this URL on our container setting of server. You see, we already configured on our step by video. You can check that video to have an overview how to create this step server and configure those from start. So for now I will save it. Okay, it is taking invalid input. It's maybe because some technical issue from GTM. We would need to create it again. Okay, no issue, we can do it. Analytics, the Google tag, and the tag ID you know already, which is this one, and then that parameter would be server container URL, and you know the URL is this, and then it is save. Now we need another event which will send that event to server side. Okay, GA4 event, and measurement ID is needed, so which is this one. So we are using that GA4 as a client to send our data, which is free for use. That's why we are using that. Okay, generate lead. So when the lead is working, we need to create a trigger, right? We already created the trigger when someone is visiting that page. So I would just save it. Also I would go to my server container, and I would need another tag template there to configure our Pinterest conversion API for server side. Go to tag template or community template gallery, search for Pinterest. You see, this is the Pinterest. You should be adding this. Okay, now you need the advertiser ID, which you can get easily from the URL, the advertiser ID, and API access token key. Sorry, the setup API. Generate access new token. Okay, copy this, enter it here, and anything else? No, I don't want anything else. Now when that should fire when someone is doing a lead event with us, which is called this. Okay, generate lead, that's it. Save, and boom, publish. Or you need to publish the both side. Okay, publish, skip. That's it. Both should be published. We will just go to both side workplace to give them preview. Okay, first I will give this a preview. It's loaded. Now I would go to my browser container to give it a preview. We'll go to our landing page. You see, our lead event has not committed yet. No response received here. So what if I submit it? So I submitted it and I visited that page. That was our condition for lead. Okay, so you see our generate lead event has been appeared and our tag has been failed. The reason behind this, you should easily see here what are they saying. Event ID is required property. So we can configure that, right? So for now we can send it from our browser side, analytics for event, event parameters. It should say event ID. I would just copy that from them directly. Copy, paste, and we already created the event ID variable on our deduplication video or meta. You can check that. So now I would save it, publish, yes, publish, and here I would add a parameter which is called, let's do it, it should inherit from there, or we need to maybe configure it manually. Yes, over at event data, yes, we would just add event data, maybe event ID, yes, event ID. The parameter value would be, we'll creating it, event data, and the key path is this. So now it will publish again, publish. So you see, the last time we were seeing this is failed, but this time we fix the issue, so we should be seeing this working, or maybe not. Let's see. Give it a preview. Give this a preview again. Okay, this started receiving data. Submit the form again. Wait for the lead event. Okay, you see, succeed. All the issue has been solved. If you go to values, it will show you the exact event ID. So that's how we can set up our conversion API. You can also send all of those data, whatever you have here, the first name, last name, email, so that you can improve your EMQ score or event match quality score, which will later help you to improve your ads and target your customer more precisely. So for now, that's it. Very good.